Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts to sell. Combine 4 cups flour, 1 cup warm milk, 1/2 cup sugar, 2 eggs, 4 tablespoon butter, 2 tsp yeast, and 1 tsp salt. Knead until smooth, cover, and let rise in a warm place for about 1 hour until doubled. This step builds structure and taste, so be patient and keep your workspace warm and clean for best results. In this video, I will show how to make donuts to sell. After rising, roll dough to about 3/4 inch thickness and cut with a 3/5-inch cutter and 1-inch center cutter. Heat oil to 350 degrees F and fry just 50 to 70 seconds per side until golden, turning carefully. Drain on paper towels, then cool slightly before glazing or filling to retain texture and keep the interior light. In this video, I will show how to make donuts to sell. Whisk 2 cups powdered sugar, 3 tablespoon milk, and 1 tsp vanilla for a glossy glaze. Dip donuts while slightly warm. For filled donuts, cool and pipe 1 to 2 ounces of custard, jam, or chocolate into each. Keep glazed products in a single layer and fill fresh to preserve appearance, and test 1 batch before scaling production.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.